Yo, a lot has happened recently. As you may know, I broke my wrist 5 weeks ago, double fracture. You can learn more about it in this video. And I finally, as you can see, got the cast off. The doctor said it'll take about a month before I can really ride again, and that in the meantime I should focus on the range of motion. And only a couple days after getting the cast off, it's feeling great. Look at this. Look at that range of motion. Come on. Since the last video, I also graduated college with a degree in mathematical economics. And the best part of that is that I can now fully invest myself in this channel. So you should expect a lot of content coming your way. Because of the injury and finishing up school, I've completely neglected maintaining the Ronster. So in this video, I'm going to give it its highly deserved makeover. The bike is absolutely filthy. Look at this. I've seen worse, but this is pretty bad. Now look at the seat. It's been torn for about 5 months. It is time to replace that. I'm missing 1 bolt here on the key ignition plate, 2 holding down the battery lid. Very classy. And probably most importantly, look at this tire. Is there even any tire left? I'm basically riding an inner tube at this point. I've been running a left-hand thumb throttle because I can't use the right twist throttle until now that the wrist is better, so I'm gonna rewire the original throttle back up. But that's only the beginning of this makeover. Let me show you what I've got in store. First off, we got the Michelin Pilot Street 2. This is a 90 by 80 17 tire rated up to 111 miles per hour. This is the same tire I've been running. Look how much I wore it out over, like, I don't know, maybe 6 months. Great tire, time to replace it for sure. Brand new Sur Ronster seat. This is not the standard Sur Ronster seat you may be familiar with. You can see it's got stitching here. This is the original Sur Ronster seat. They don't make these anymore. It's the same one I have on my bike because this is a 2017 Sur Ronster. So massive shout out to Andy Harris from Sur Ronster Pit Stop for hooking me up with the vintage Sur Ronster seat. Here we got Flow Carbon. He'll be linked below. He makes absolutely beautiful carbon fiber pieces for Super 73s and now Sur Ronsters. And it is for Super 73s and now Sur Ronsters. And at the end of this video, make sure you're watching because I'm doing a giveaway and I'll explain how you can enter. So excited to see how this looks on the bike. Massive shout out to Flow Carbon. And then finally, some absolutely beautiful Prickly Motorsports parts. He'll also be linked down below. I can't wait to see these on the bike. This is so exciting. First thing I want to do is absolutely smoke this tire. There's still some meat left. Is it gonna pop? Okay, I'm not letting off the throttle until it pops. Come on. Come on. I feel bad for the motor at this point. There's no way it's still going. I'm gonna blow my motor doing that. There's still meat on there. That's gonna be a lot harder to get off later. Okay, last try before I blow my motor. This is ridiculous. I'm impressed. There's still meat on there. I could do this all day. This is so satisfying. Now I'm trying not to get too close, obviously, so I don't get into the electronics. These bikes can get wet. You can get these bikes wet, no problem. As long as you don't leave them wet. Okay, everything looks good except I fucked up. That's water in my egg rider. That is not good.
You can get these bikes wet, no problem.
My best bet. Let's see if it works in the morning. All right, it's the next day. The bike's looking super clean, but really this is the moment of truth. Let's see if there's still water in this bad boy. Yeah, lots of water. Damn. Somebody told me it still works with water in it, so we'll see when we get there. Listen to her purr. All right, we're out. Look at these. Oh my god. Oh my god, dude, these are so nice.
How can I decide what's right when you're clouding up my mind? Can't win, you lose and fight all the time. And I can't ever own what's mine when you're always
This is the stock mount. Look how much I wore away with it. I put bolts on that were too big.
cried. No, not this time. Not this time. How did we get here? Well, I used to know you so well. How did we get here? Oh, I think I know. The truth is hiding in your eyes, and it's hanging on your tongue, just boiling in my blood.
No way.
But you
No
think
way, that
that I
was
can't
so
see
good.
what kind of man that you are. If you're a man at all, well, I will
Damn, so I ended up with 2 of these covers and I don't know what to do with the second one. Alright, well, if I do a giveaway, check the description. Good luck. Okay, we've got the caliper mount, the rotor guard, the pegs, the belt cover, with the Sur Ronster. And there's the Sur Ronster on here. We've got the extended linkage and the triangle. Oh. All of those are prickly parts. There will be links below. Highly recommended. Absolutely best CNC metal parts for the Sur-Ron, hands down. Then we got the matte fluorocarbon battery lid. Absolutely beautiful. And remember, there is a giveaway. Check out the description for details. The swing arm bolt was also replaced, as well as the bearings. And we got the fresh tire on here with one less link in the chain for better fitment. Now let's just make sure it turns on after washing it. Bang! But here's the moment of truth. There's still water in this egg rider. Woo! Let's go! Now with the extended rear linkage, it looks like this bike's got quite a lift. And with more tread on the rear tire, the bike is definitely higher off the ground. And I know that because before the kickstand was super tall and the bike would stand upright. Now it leans quite a bit, so I like that. I just got a lift, maybe like a 1 or 2 inch lift on the bike. So right now we're just changing the throttle back from the thumb throttle to the twist throttle. I love this. I love having both the bikes in the back. We didn't have enough time to get to the razor. I'll fix that some other time. I want to weld this part up. We'll cut it and then weld it. Hey, could I get the Beyond Burger? No cheese and no mayo. Great, thanks a lot. Awesome, thanks a lot. Ooh, it smells good. Little vegan burger action. It's 11:30 p.m. We've been working on this bike for like over 10 hours, but it's because this guy came and talked to us. He wouldn't stop talking. It's midnight now and there's like nobody on the highway. It's such a vibe. Just cruising on my way back. It's about an hour away. See you tomorrow. All right, it's the next day. We're gonna go get some breakfast. We got the mini motos out. Who's on which bike?
I'm on my bike.
Oh, you got the Ron.
What's up, man? Can I use the...
Hoing will get the bigger one.
This one's bigger?
Yeah. You're small, so.
Yeah. How'd you know?
You're still growing though, buddy.
I'm a grown boy, bro. Just you wait till I'm taller than you.
This wheel still has the sticker on it.
Yeah, that looks so professional.
Nice and Hawaiian.
I lost the little bolt for the display, so it's kind of just hanging around. But it works. Even after the water damage, it works.
I'm gonna just go fucking slow.
For sure. We should have a helmet on you. Look at you. How tall are you again, Hoing?
I'm 6'3".
So already the bike feels so different because of the lifted rear linkage. It's like more of an attack position and I'm certainly higher off the ground. We also took a link out of the chain so the wheels forward a little bit. And with the new tire, it feels different. Doesn't feel bad though, I just gotta get used to it. Yeah, Hoing. The rear brake is not ready for wheelies right now because we polished the rotor. See, like I'm hitting it really hard. It's not really locking the wheel. Yeah, Min's back too. That's a sick truck. What's up, bro?
Lifted truck.
Isn't that a dope truck?
Where are we going? Starbucks. Yeah, unless you want pepper. Thanks. Bro.
Go get them, boys.
Are you gonna eat here?
We're gonna get in a side bowl and then eat right here.
Alright, we might go get our shit and then come over here.
Alright, bet. You got the vegan coconut base with the chia seeds, granola, fruit, toppings. Oh. Hoing riding with the Starbucks. Anyway, there you go for the full Sur Ron makeover. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned.
Yeah, I'm on my